Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off and removing the Airpods. You need clear access. Once done, unlock the hinge by gently prying the cap seam with a thin plastic tool. Do not force metal. Use a toothpick to lift any trapped debris around the lip while you hold the case steady on a microfiber towel. Make sure to keep tiny screws and springs in a container. You're creating safe access so the cap will come off without bending the housing or breaking internal clips. You now inspect the hinge area closely, look for worn pins or cracked clips and note which part shifted. Carefully realign the cap to the base and reseat the hinge pins with small needle nose pliers, pushing straight to avoid twisting. This restores the pivot geometry. If a clip is loose, press it back into its slot or use a dab of clear adhesive sparingly. Let cure. Once aligned, apply a tiny amount of electronic safe lubricant to the pivot so the cap opens smoothly without stressing plastic. You finish by reinstalling springs and screws in their original order, tightening just until snug so you don't strip threads. Once reassembled, open and close the lid 10 to 15 times to let parts seat and make sure the lid sensor triggers pairing lights correctly. If motion feels gritty or uneven, double-check alignment and consider swapping a bent hinge pin or replacing a damaged clip. Troubleshooting tip: if the lid still binds, remove and inspect internal tabs. Replace the small plastic clip before attempting another repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.